So protect the farmers. Huh? Who's going to do the farming? So I'm Colmar Berg. Going to the castle. Berg Castle. It's copious amounts of rain. Look at this. It's flooded big. What are you doing in this wintry weather? Well, there's another castle, and that's close too, it seems. What do I do now? Nothing much. Looks like the castle is shut. Is it? Yeah. That's the castle. Another one from the outside. It's the bottled water from the old days. Used to. There's the castle. The castle here in Berg, I'm told by the police officer who's at the guard post that it's private. So it's not open to the visitors. I guess they've got enough money. So they don't need your money to visit, right? So there we go. So I've come all this way just to be told that it's private. That's Colmar Castle. There we go, folks.
Ben geht schon zu weit.
Nee, wenn du stehst, dann hast du ja auch stehen. Grips,
Trips, ja.
Grips. Und dann ist es auch.
Alles normal. Hier, bei uns ist es orange. Drehen wir uns. Dich, drehen wir uns zu der Mauer, drehen wir uns. Waschen wir uns in den Bohr, machen kurz den Arm, weil die rausgegangen ist.